Hi guys, today we are applying my absolute favorite mascara to my eyes. It is the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. So first I start out by giving my lashes a nice curl so I have a good base to start with. Then I take the mascara. You guys, this is a super affordable mascara, but don't be fooled. The quality of it is amazing. I don't know what they use in this formula, but it just builds on your natural lashes. Like, holy, instantly look at that volume. So you can get a full, pretty much false lash look without applying any falsies with these, which is so nice. So it uses a conic fiber brush. Obviously, you can see the shape of it there. It just really captures every lash. So I'm just kind of going through, combing it on. And generally what I do is I will apply the first coat and then let it dry. And if I'm wanting a more full coat, I will build upon that with 2 to 3 coats depending on how extreme of a look I am going for that day. So I'm just going in now with that second coat, and you can just see it building up. Oops, I definitely made a little bit of a mess up top. Don't fret though if you end up doing the same. If you let the mascara dry, just take a little Q-tip or something and you can dust that off. Super easy to clean up your mess. If you were like me, I am like pretty much always in a rush, so that happens to me pretty much on a daily basis. So take your time if you can, or use that little tip. So this is how it looks. I've applied it to both sides. It is just such a quick pick me up. I have not used a mascara of this quality, honestly, ever. I don't know what they put in it, but the fibers of it just stick to your eyes. Instantly feel glam, more awake, and just a open-eyed look. I cannot recommend this enough. Check it out.